What's up, good people? So, I hope you all are doing well. This video, as the title says, is a quick video. It's about the PPP loans for small businesses. As you know, the government, because of the pandemic, put out, approved, and passed bills that allowed the feds to give money to small businesses to help keep the economy stimulated. There was, I think it was like 3 trillion total, or maybe I can't remember. I guess we could look real quick, but um, there is $126.5 billion left for small businesses. This is after the second round was passed. So if you're in the market, if you're a small business, if you're a trucking company, even just a one truck operator like me, you are absolutely, even if you're leased on, able to get these funds. I was I applied for 10 grand on May 1st, and I was approved, and then they came back and said after look basically I used Bluevine right here, bluevine.com. It's basically an all online application process. It's very simple, one easy as one, two, three. Basically, I uploaded my corporation documents all online. I think I just had to upload my bank statements to show how much I paid myself as an employee of my company, and they based my loan off of that. As you can see, so I applied on May 1st. I'll show you right here. This is my email. On May 1st is when I applied, and then basically May 27th I had my my application was approved and the funds were sent, and they arrive in your account once it's approved. They'll send you an email once it's approved. So what happens is Bluevine, they'll come at you with an offer, which exactly what you see here is what the offer was. Then you accept it with them, and then they review it and send it to the SBA, because ultimately it has to be reviewed by the SBA and approved. And so that process is what takes a while. Bluevine is very fast on their end, but it's the SBA, because they have so many applications for all this money for small businesses, is what takes time. So it took about 3.5 weeks, or 3 weeks to get my funds from the SBA, which I guess isn't terrible, but it is quite long. So it's not much, but it's enough. It helps. Every little bit can help, because my truck has been parked. So these funds are gonna go into my business banking account and help me pay the bills without using my savings. And yes, I do have to pay back this loan with a 1% interest rate at 24 months. So if I go to a free simple, I mean, why not take something like this? Because as a business owner, you're gonna get loans. So why not get a loan with a 1% interest rate versus normal interest rates, um, you know, 6% or whatever. So $6,000 at 1% interest rate for 24 months. I'll pay. My monthly payment will be. I don't know why it does this. What the heck? Hold on, let me see here real quick. This is different from when did I do that wrong? $6,016 at 1% for 20. Oh, number of years. That's why. 2. So my monthly payment will be $253 a month. I will pay I will pay $46 the first year in interest, and then $16 the second year. Um, Total interest paid will be $63 on a $6,000 loan. So that's extremely affordable, and why not do it? You know, that it's just gonna help get me through these times when the rates are low, and pay the bill, keep making the payments on my bills without continuing to uh, crush my savings account for the bank, or my reserves account for the business. So I just wanted I've been saying that I was going to do a video on my experience with the PPP loan. I wanted to wait until the funds are actually in my account to show you exactly how I did it, what I got approved for, and how long it took. It's I hope all of you fellow trucking business owners, even if you have one truck like me or 50 trucks, that you took advantage of this loan program. Some uh, loan programs through the SBA for the PPP loans are forgiven if you continue to pay, if you show proof that you're using those monies to continue to pay your employees and keep them. I think there are certain guidelines, so you're going to want to check your application. Mine wasn't based on that. Mine is not forgiven, so I have to pay mine back. But at 1% interest rate, I'm not worried about it at all. It's well worth it for me. So that's basically it. Like I said, there's $126.5 billion left for small businesses. I mean, just a week or 2 weeks ago, it was at 300 billion. So it's it's going fast, and it takes a while for the SBA to get your. As you can see, it took 3 weeks for them to approve mine. So if you're still thinking about getting the PPP loan, and maybe your bank, the reason I did it through Blue Vine is both my credit union and my business bank account, they have a long process, and they can't handle the influx. They're not sure about the process with the SBA. Like, they weren't 100% confident in the terms and everything. So Blue Vine was approved by the SBA to process PPP loans, and so for me it just made sense. And then the 1% interest rate for 24 months, I'm good with that. It also gives you an opportunity to um, have this on your business credit report with the SBA. Uh, so as you pay it off, you're building another credible account on your business name and your EIN. So it's just a win-win for me. I, I guess I wish it were a little more, but I'm okay with that. I mean, I didn't need the money, but it definitely helps keep keep me in business, And so again, I hope this was somewhat helpful or informative for some of you that may be thinking about the PPP loans still, or maybe some of you got it. If you did get a PPP loan, tell me your experience in a quick couple of words down below in the comment section. Or if you have any questions for me, also please put it in the comments, or just please like the video and make sure you subscribe, and hopefully I can bring you some more cool videos. All right, thank you for watching.